What is this? What is this? This is stupid. Thomas? Season 25? No, I don't think so. Mattel, you're stalking and harassing Thomas by making a reboot. Mattel, what have you done to our tank engine? We are so angry at you for making Thomas more worse than it was before. This is going to be as bad as Big World Big Adventures. The classic Thomas is way better than the reboot. And you know what? There's only one thing that we're going to do. Save Thomas. And cancel the 2D. And bring back the CGI. And I mean CGI. I mean this. This is the real Thomas. Yeah, the real Thomas. The classic's better. Yeah, the classic is awesome. It's definitely better than the reboot. And do not show the season 25 to Master Frizz. Ever.